If you're anything like me and you use your thread to the very end like this, then watch this video and I'll show you the easy way of rethreading. Grab your new thread and place it on the designated cone. Once you've looped it through, you're going to tie the new thread to the old thread with just a standard knot. I decided to move the threads down a little bit so I had a little bit more room tying. Once you're done tying the knot, just cut off any excess of the tails. Lift the presser foot up. Slowly pull on the existing chain while twisting the hand wheel towards yourself. Be sure to keep an eye on the knot you've tied to make sure it looks like it's going through smoothly. Once you see that the knot has passed through on the other side, which will be the chain side, then you can press the presser foot. And now you've rethreaded the easy way. Thanks for watching, and now here's a bonus clip of me cleaning my machine. Don't be like me. Clean your machines regularly.